I like doing gigs like this. I like coming seeing smiley people like you and having fun. Because this is how it's meant to be. It's not always like this. Sometimes you gig in Hull. They don't like me. The last time I did Hull, I'll tell you this, right? Last time I did Hull, I didn't have a nice time. They weren't like you. They weren't lovely people. They didn't know how to smile. They're fucking Hull. I came back and I was properly miserable the next day, just sitting around moping, being sad. And I sat there and my girlfriend came in and she went, no, not having you moping around the house all day. No. Me and you are going to go for a fun day out. I like fun days out. I got overexcited, thought we were going to Alton Towers. We didn't, right? That's what
You went to Reddit, right?
I'll tell you now, we're still together, we didn't go to Reddish. I expected something fun when I got in the car. My girlfriend turned to me and she went, oh, let's go to IKEA. Now, right, now I've had fun days out and I've been to IKEA and they've never been the same day before. The thing is, I totally misjudged my girlfriend completely because the first words out of her mouth were, let's go the wrong way round the one-way system. Trailblazers, IKEA. They had that one-way system in way before 2020. We start messing around, we're having fun, we're moving things between shelves and stuff, hiding in cupboards, jumping out at each other, just enjoying ourselves. I started playing my new favourite game that you can play in an IKEA. You know the little pencils they've got all the way around the shop? 2, 3, good, some of you, the rest of you, have we been to IKEA? I asked because I told this story in Wales the other week and a woman let me finish the story and then went, we don't have IKEA in Wales. It's a 6-minute story. Why did you let me tell it? You look like you were having fun. I wasn't. I started playing the little pencils all the way around the shop. I thought, we'll have a giggle, we'll try and enjoy our day. I'll see how many of those little pencils I can fit in my girlfriend's pocket before she realises. 23, it's a piece of piss, right? But I got that and I was like, all right, achievement 1 unlocked, move it up a level, level number 2. How many of those little pencils can I fit in the pocket of a stranger? Before they realise it's tougher, 9. Level 3, final level, boss level. How many of those little pencils can I fit in the pocket of the security guard who's now following me around the shop for putting pencils in people's pockets? I didn't manage any, he was livid. He collared me, he walked me past the most IKEA moment, I think it should be in their adverts. It was a man and a woman, and the man just stopped, like, just in his tracks, and he just went, Sarah, I don't care. What the bookshelf's called. I'm only here because you promised me meatballs. That's all I saw of this life. Right? Security guard drags us up to his office. That was already built. That put a dampener on the day. He walks us in, he sits us down, and he's like, right, you two have been a pain in the arse all day today. You two are now banned from all the IKEAs in the northeast of England. That's 2. Thing is, I saw my girlfriend's face, she was upset. I begged, I pleaded, he would not increase that number. He sat us down, he printed out his little form, he said to sign his form, and I quote, never darken his door again. He printed out this form, put it in front of us, and he just went, right, sign there. I looked at the form, I looked at the security guard back at the form, and I went, have you got anything to sign that with? He looked panicked. My girlfriend went, check your pocket, dickhead. It was... The greatest day of my life.